So my gripe session with the Bluetooth starting now. This is the AirPods from Apple. I want to say that when I connect from my phone to my MacBook Pro, it's a nightmare sometimes. I found workarounds, don't get me wrong. The workaround is this. I actually have to shut off my Bluetooth on my MacBook Pro completely in order to reconnect to my phone seamlessly. To connect to my MacBook Pro, I have to shut off my um, phone Bluetooth and turn on my MacBook Pro. Painful. It's not that painful. Anyways, no, this is not working. It's not a conversation again. It's not a conversation.
You already got your rant out. It doesn't have the same passion.
Did it have passion before?
It did.
Like, passion worthy enough to put on YouTube, or like stupid passion?
I mean, I don't know who watches that shit. Maybe someone does. You probably would.
Well, because it's a nightmare.
You can't be the only one.
It's a nightmare. I mean, I'm trying to connect my damn Bluetooth. And the worst is WebEx. As soon as I need to connect my AirPods to a WebEx, it literally does not work. I can't connect for shit. I can't put them back in the charger, put them back in the case, shut off my Bluetooth, turn it back on. I'm like, damn, my WebEx is about to start in 1 minute. What the hell do I do? Holy crap, it's a nightmare. So phone calls and WebEx, I don't know. It's just weird. Maybe it's me. I don't know. But anyways, switching from my phone to my MacBook Pro with both Bluetooths on, nightmare. Sorry. I mean, I freaking love the AirPods, but holy shit. It's a nightmare. I have to shut off one Bluetooth, turn on the other, to reconnect all the time. I'm always resyncing. I'm always doing everything. It drives me insane. And nobody else seems to have this problem. So maybe I have a faulty set, except for the fact that this is my second set. So they both done that. I don't know. Maybe I'm just too. I want things to just work. Hey, my MacBook's open. I'm obviously using it. Connect the damn things to my MacBook unless I say otherwise. I don't know what the answer is. But anyways, it drives me nuts. But the final thing is, at least in Washington, D.C. area, when you're walking across the street and the walk sign is on, or the don't walk, every time that flips, no shit, I get the signal ahead of time. I get to take a couple steps before everybody else. So call it a good thing. Now it does interrupt your audio, so whatever podcast you're listening to, it does kind of crackle and stop for a second. But I get to walk 2 or 3 extra steps every time, because as soon as my things crackle and I'm near a do not walk or walk sign, just go. You're good to go every time. So there it is. Anyways, it's a love-hate relationship. I actually do love them, and I'm kind of, it's just a good product, except for switching between devices to me is still a nightmare, and it drives me insane. And I'm telling you, I have Murphy's Law, where literally when you really truly need them, and it's not just a want, they don't work. You should see me scrambling, shit don't work. I'm shutting it off, turning it back on. I'm trying to put on speakerphone. I got it on speakerphone in public because I can't get these things to work. It's driving me nuts. Anyways, that's my rant. Sorry, it's not probably worth anything for you.